Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today we are live, ladies and gentlemen, on YouTube. Welcome everybody to the live stream. I hope everyone is having an incredible day. Today is Thursday here in Melbourne, Australia, and there's a lot happening in the crypto market. So welcome everybody. If you have any questions, let me know in the live chat, ladies and gentlemen. I have got that set up on my other screen right here so I can see everybody. Welcome Moonman to the Moonman. Yes, Moonman. A lot of moons there. I can't wait to go to the moon. What else have we got here? Welcome Richard. Welcome Alvaro. What have we got here? Shannon, how you going, mate? Facts straight up. What do we got here? Leather skin, is that right? Anyway, that's hilarious, mate. Welcome to the chat. Davey White, welcome from South Africa. That's incredible. Let me know in the live chat where you're all watching from. It's always fascinating to see where people are actually watching from, and it's incredible that it's actually worldwide, which is, you know, very, very humbling, to be honest with you. So welcome everybody to the live stream. There is a lot going on in the crypto market as always. I'm going to be going over obviously the XRP rich list today. Haven't done that for a while. I haven't checked it. And it's actually going to be very fascinating to see what those wallet addresses, and by the looks of that chart just on this small screen right here, things are getting pretty crazy. You've got updates in relation to Ripple and XRP. Obviously may have won the battle, but the war is just starting, and you know, it's very, very bullish what Judge Torres has actually done with Ripple, guys. I reckon she's holding it. Don't you think she's holding XRP? It's going to be fascinating. Now, obviously, Ripple scores 3 major wins against the SEC that could drive the price to $1. I think it's going to go a lot higher than that. It's not financial advice. Obviously, got XRP derivatives volume surges by 185%, which is very, very bullish. Derivatives are enormous. Encompasses all of the assets on the planet, which is incredible. Now, Chase Bank, interestingly, obviously is adding Shiba Inu XRP, among others, to obviously allow their clients to pay their mortgages using cryptocurrencies, which is fascinating as well. The crypto cards, debit cards, have increased right here, facilitated $3 billion in payments in 2021. What do you think is coming, obviously, with all of these ETF applications now being approved? Yeah, there's my dog Gucci. Can you see her? She's walking around. She wants to get on camera. We've got updates in relation to everyone's favorite Sam Bankman-Fried, the celebrity and endorsements and whatnot. That's all coming out in the lawsuit right here. And of course, we've got the Shiba Inu burn rate increasing by over 75%, which is huge. And of course, all of these Bitcoin and spot ETF applications are very, very close to being approved, which is insane. I'm also going to be going over my crypto day trading bots. Obviously, 3 Commas is an official partner of the channel now, so I'm going to be going through that. My OKX bots, they are also an official partner, guys. I'm seeing some pretty incredible returns, so make sure you stick around for that because it's going to be very, very bullish. All right, let's get into the video and live stream. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are about to get pretty freaking crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video and live stream a thumbs up, ladies and gentlemen, watch it straight through. It would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. All right, so make sure you give it a good thumbs up. If you're watching this now, there's 107 people, give it a good old thumbs up. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right, don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. This video is for, and I should say stream, is for educational purposes only and entertainment. This is live. All right, formalities are out of the way. Yes, Gucci's in the house. She's looking at me right now. Do you want to come on the video? Come here. Come here. Come here. Quick. Come on. No, she's not having it tonight. I don't know. She's been in the mood since this morning. Anyway, let's get into the community tab, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream. And we've got Tampa, Florida in the house, Toronto, Canada, Edinburgh. We've got Belgium, Portland, Oregon, Sydney. How you going, Sydney? from the United Kingdom. We've got Chicago, Australia. Is that Bucharest? That's incredible. Wow. Awesome stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream. Now, yes, let's go down. I have the Wall Street Bull University. I officially changed the Harvard logo to make it very, very bullish. There you go right there. So I've just put those dollar signs. It's awesome. I love it. So go and join up to the Wall Street Bull University. I've just put up bots and literally you can copy trade everything in the Patreon and get news updates as well. It's really, really bullish stuff that's going on in there, guys. It's awesome. Now, we've got bullish news, obviously, 13 hours ago, but the Singapore arm of Ripple has secured a license there as a major payments institution, the company said. That is incredible. Top altcoins in my portfolio. We had BTT, Solargenic, Constellation, DAG, XRP, yeah, baby. And of course, Ravane also up, which is awesome as well. And yes, that's myself there smiling away. 3 Commas is an official partner of the channel now. I've been using them for over 2 years, and that is no BS. The gains have just been mind-blowing using these day trading bots as well. I'm going to quickly walk through that as well. Now, obviously, let's go to Coinspot. They are also the Aussie sponsor of the channel, ladies and gentlemen. And again, there are referral links below for Coinspot. If you are new to cryptos in Australia, please feel free to use that. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. Of course, with this stuff, do your own research and due diligence. Now, prices here are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to US dollars because I'm catering for everybody around the world and my Aussie fans, all right? Now, let's get into it. Bitcoin sitting at 44,000 Australian dollars today. Interesting, huh? Pretty much holding steady at that level. You got Ethereum at $2,657. XRP's at 84 cents. Incredibly undervalued in my opinion. Solana's at $37 today. You know, Solana is making some serious moves with, you know, Visa, obviously NFTs, and their fees are like insanely cheap to send and move money in general. It's just incredible. So yeah, I honestly believe that Solana is going to be doing very well in the next bull market. And again, Raoul Pal, I mean, a lot of people don't really like him, but I actually think he's a top bloke and has basically 80% of his portfolio in Solana. What does that tell you? Cardano as well, 42 cents. Dogecoin at 9 cents. We've got Ton. I am trading that with my bots. $3.38. We have Matic at 91 cents. DOT is at $6. Litecoin is at 104. We've got Chainlink at $12 today. XLM is at 18 cents. Moving down, we've got Hedera Hashgraph, ladies and gentlemen. Not many people speak about Hedera. Their governance board is insane. So many large corporations are working with Hedera Hashgraph. It's just mind-blowing. So yeah, you can bet that that's going to do well in the next bull market. 7 cents. Aptos, $8. VeChain, I keep telling this every single day, but it's under 3 cents today. Has been for months and months and months. Optimism, $2.15. I do hold Optimism. That one's a new addition in the portfolio. Quant is at $140. This was $400+ in the previous bull market. When I look at these, you know, from 2.5 years ago when I started, you know, obviously documenting cryptocurrencies, you know, it's amazing to see, you know, everything basically on sale. That's the way I look at it, okay? And like they're at a discount because I know what's coming in the future for digital payments. Wild. Algorand is at 16 cents. XDC is 8 cents today. Moving down, Axie Infinity, $7.29. And of course, we have some other favorites. CFX here, 21 cents. IOTA is at 24 cents. And Casper sitting at 5 cents. 5 cents. Incredible project. Now let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. That is in the video description. I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, day trading bots, my futures grid trading bots. Literally, I just put that up this afternoon before I left the office. Really, really incredible stuff. You can go join up to that. And more importantly, my dividend investing. Again, I am going to dollar cost average into some dividend stocks tonight. I'll be sharing that in the Patreon, guys. And you can speak to me in there directly. There's no one else running it. It is just me. So you are speaking to me directly, which is awesome. Very, very cool. 1,256 posts of juicy information. So join up. It's absolutely wild. Now, before I get into Crypto Bubbles, I actually want to show you my OKX. Now, this is in partnership with 3 Commas as well. Both are partners of the channel. I'm currently up today alone 333 Australian dollars today. That's 2.38% in one day. That is 1 day. I haven't even done the mathematics on that for the entire week because this is trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, again, if I go to the weekly chart here, I'm up 466 again. It's been a pretty messy week. As you can see, I got liquidated. The prices have been pretty volatile, but this is where it gets crazy. But on the month, I'm still up 12.39% here, $1,562 on the month. An extra $1,000, $2,000 a month really helps. It's incredible. Where it gets wild is on this 6 month chart right here. 943%. I'm up $14,306.89. $14,000 in 6 months as additional income trading cryptos. It's absolutely wild. I've been doing this now for 2 years with my bots, and I've finally cracked the code, so to speak, and it's working really nicely. And I've documented that again on the channel the other day. And obviously, yes, it gets consistently put up in the Patreon. Now, as you can see here, based on the video I set up, you can go watch it. It's on my channel from 3 Commas, how I actually set these things up. You will need a membership for this stuff, of course, for 3 Commas and an account with OKX. And unfortunately, in the United States and the UK, Canada, I don't believe you can trade derivatives or futures, and it's annoying. You may be able to get away around it using a VPN. I'm not entirely sure. Just check that. But anyway, everything is in the Patreon. And that is rain. It is pouring rain in Melbourne, guys. If you're in Melbourne, it has been raining for like 3 days. It's really annoying. Anyway, you can see the positions opened up at the moment with using 3 Commas bots, which has been working really, really well. I've got short positions open up. Obviously, the market's coming back up. Matic, I'm up 14 USDT, which is really nice as well. We'll keep scrolling down here. I've got long, short positions, both open, long and short, of course. Multi-bot set up here. There's a lot of pairs trading. So again, it's really working well. And if I go to the history, just to show every single one of you what the history is here, so you know it's actually accurate. These are the actual deals that are being completed. There are obviously losses here. You can see all the profits that it's taken. Look at this on TRB, ETC right here. Solana, I've got Lido DAO as well. I've got Aave, profit on Solana, XMR Monero, Aptos. I've got Toncoin, again Monero. There's so many of them. I've got Solana here. Keep scrolling down, you can see it all. I've got Chainlink in here as well. I've got bots going crazy. A couple of big liquidations, as you can see, 30 USDT. But honestly, for the last few months, this has been actually around about an 85 to 90% win rate, and it takes small profits, but they add up. That's what you obviously have to understand with this stuff. They take small profits. The other thing on OKX, which really I'm bullish on, are the bots themselves that you can set up on the platform. Now, I've got my deals that you can literally copy trade. As you can see here, I've got a neutral bot set up here, and I'm currently investing 110 USDT into this. It's made 3.98%. Again, this was only set up on the 2nd, which is only a couple of days ago. I'm already up 3%. That's just nuts. Solana as well, 6.23%. I'm up 17 USDT on a 275 USDT investment. Bitcoin is all over the shop. This is a long bot, so basically only trading with the price going up. Whereas a neutral, you're trading both ways, which is interesting, but it's it's down 26% because I've got a long position. Neutral for XRP, which is nice, 22.01%. I'm up $6.82. Now, I like to say dollars, but it's USDT. Optimism right here on a $34 investment. I made 51% return. They started on the 27th of September. That was only a few days ago. Casper, I'm up 4.82% right here. Moving down as well, Link, 6.6%. This one is actually insane, but TRB since the 25th of September has made me 244% return on a $50 investment, or 50 USDT. It's made me 122 USDT. That's incredible. And I've got IMX right here at 15.44%. That is on a 20 USDT investment. I made 3. I'm not complaining about that. WorldCoin on a 50 USDT, basically 34%. I made 17 USDT. And Optimism right here as well. I am trading with leverage with this stuff, so again, you need to be aware of that. Trading with leverage in general is really, really risky because you can get liquidated like that. The higher the leverage, the quicker you're going to get liquidated. It's happened to me many times. I'm trying to stick between either 15 or 20. Some instances I'll go up to 50, but I'm well and truly prepared to lose that. So please don't go investing something stupid into this. Just only invest what you can afford to lose. It's not financial advice, okay? Be careful. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles, and if you are new to the live stream, welcome to the live stream right here. What do we got here? Edwin from Melbourne. Welcome, everyone. We've got Ghana in the house. That's incredible. Bucharest. Yeah, that's awesome. The Philippines. I'd love to visit the Philippines for sure. Let's have a look here. That is pretty much it. I've got some questions there, so I'll get to those at the end. Crypto bubbles on the day. Let me refresh this. We've got Trust Wallet token up 10, doing well today, 1.2% as well. That's Clayton, sorry. Trust Wallet token, 10.2%, 17 on the week and 13.5 in the month. I don't really trade this, guys, because I'm not really interested in that. Aave, obviously 6.5% today, 12.6 on the week, 27 on the month. Currently trading at 69 USD, which is really nice as well. Chainlink, 7.7%. I'm up 2.3%. Well, basically it is up, not I'm up. And 28.6% on the month. I think Chainlink is incredibly undervalued, and I do believe this thing's going to go parabolic in the next bull market. Now, of course, XDC at 4 cents, it is down 1.5%. This is the opportunity that I like to identify when the market is down. I like to dollar cost average and just slowly accumulate as much as possible before the next bull market. What else have we got here, ladies and gentlemen? Let's have a look and try and find some favorites of ours. Solana is down today 1.6. It's still up 21% on the week. Here, come here. Here we go. All right. Whoa, I just almost broke the freaking chair. How good's that? All right, we've got a guest. This is Gucci, everyone. Welcome. Say hello. Welcome, everyone. All right, so Gucci's going to be doing some crypto reviews. Other than that, let's get into the news. And before I do this, let's just have a quick look at the XRP rich list. The current statistics. Yes, let me just get these up right here. Right. This has increased. So the XRP rich list, if you want to be in the top 10%, you're literally going to be holding 3,574 XRP to be in top 10%, which is fascinating. It's actually not that much when you think about it. Now, 5% is 11,000. You've got 4%, 15,000. Now, again, you're starting to get up to big levels here, but 22,000 XRP to be in the top 3%. Let's have a look here. We've got 0.5%, 117,000 XRP. That's a lot of money. Now we've got 0.2 is at 250. We've got 0.1 at 445. And again, if you're in the 0.01%, let me know in the live chat. Give me a call, man, because that's 5.7 million XRP. That is bullish. But as you can see right here, the wallet count since, let's have a look here, since March this year, or I should say 2022, has increased dramatically. And you can see there was a slight dip there, but going up to where we are at the moment, 26th of September, there was 4.7 million people on the planet holding XRP. Very, very interesting. It's not that many when you think about it. Now, moving on, we've got updates in relation to the lawsuit. And yes, the Ripple and XRP had a victory again. May have won the battle with the SEC, but the war is just starting. Gary Gensler and the SEC have officially lost the freaking plot. Ripple has secured another win against the SEC in court. However, the legal battle continues with a trial set for April 23, 2024. And the SEC may appeal its post-trial. And Ripple versus SEC outcome is pivotal for the crypto industry and potentially, yes, Bubba, redefining regulatory guidelines on what is considered a security. And recent Ripple updates, the controversial clawback feature was introduced, and Ripple was recognized in the FinTech 100 list. And Chase Bank enables XRP payments via the new partnership, which is incredible as well, guys. That is insane. And the SEC is on a losing streak in court this week. We saw Ripple securing another win after Judge Torres, who I really do believe she's holding XRP, denied the SEC's motion to appeal the case as it failed to meet the respective burden of proof, highlighting its lack of evidence. And Ripple's heightened its morale after the news, and XRP surged over 5% shortly after. And obviously the XRP community declared a victory, which could be a tad soon. I think it's a very big victory, as long as the standing legal battle is far from over. And in the same court ruling, Judge Torres set a trial date to April 23rd. The two parties must submit all necessary pre-trial filings and documents by December 4th. I honestly believe that they're not going to win this lawsuit. I mean, Judge Torres has already denied it. What do you think an appeals court or a trial in a trial is going to happen? I just love legal fees, man. It's full on. Now, The derivatives market for XRP has increased 185%, which is insane. And the XRP token is among the best performing cryptos of the day in the top 100 by market cap, with a price increase of superior to 4.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the most relevant surge within the spot exchange and derivatives volume, both more than doubling up on October 4th. And at the time of the publication, data retrieved by Finbol, thanks, indexes in the last 24 hours with an increase of 104% on the spot exchange volume from the first source, and over 185% in the derivatives operations volume for XRP. Notably, XRP registered a 24-hour volume close to $1.8 billion, which corresponds to the 6.36% of digital assets in the market cap of it, to close $28 billion as the token traded at 52 cents at the present time. Therefore, this means that crypto traders are mostly migrating their derivatives operations towards Ripple's token. That's bullish instead of other competitors. And cannot wait for XRP. And again, they did get the partnership with ISDA, which again is the derivatives market. Very, very bullish. Now, this is an interesting one. Chase Bank, correct me if I'm wrong, I can't remember because there's so much news, but Chase Bank, was that the bank that actually stopped people from making payments to crypto exchanges? Let me know in the live chat. I actually can't remember. It's absolutely wild. Let me have a look here. My computer made a weird noise. Anyway, Shiba Inu, XRP, Bitcoin, BNB fans are now able to cover their credit card and mortgage payments with their favorite crypto. And the Canadian blockchain payments processor FCF Pay has made a major impact on the crypto adoption worldwide. Starting today, all Chase Bank customers will be able to pay their credit card bills, loans, and even mortgage payments in their favorite crypto. What does that tell you? That is huge. Not that I would be using any of my crypto assets other than USDT to pay my bills anyway. That'd be just stupid. I would not do that at all. I wouldn't want to be the guy that bought pizza for, what was it, like $40 million or something like that, or $500,000 pizza. Now, crypto cards facilitated $3 billion in payment volume since 2021. Exchange deals, obviously, with Visa. Visa executive Akshay Chopra right here reveals that the payments partnerships with crypto exchanges have facilitated billions of dollars in payment value. And the integration of conventional payment cards with cryptocurrency exchanges is playing a crucial role in driving adoption of digital assets right here, according to the Visa executive. And speaking to Cointelegraph reporter during the panel of Blockchain Economy Dubai, obviously Visa's Vice President, Head of Innovation and Design, Chopra, highlighted that... my computer is making some weird noises, man. Sorry about that. Obviously, they highlighted the role that Visa cards have played as a bridge between fiat currencies and cryptos in recent years. It's incredible when you think about it. And Gucci's got her crypto card. She's definitely got it. But I don't know if anyone's actually done it. I did it. I've been using my Coinspot MasterCard to use crypto. There's no need for a bank. So what I believe is going to be end up happening here, guys, the likes of OKX, of course, bullish. You're going to have Coinbase. You're going to have Binance. You're going to have OKX. Oh my God, it's losing my mind. KuCoin, Gate.io, Bybit, all of these exchanges are going to end up being the banks of the future. Banks are going to become non-existent in probably 20, 30 years. It's all going to be digital. And it's going to be pretty crazy. And I know that one bank, I believe it's Macquarie Bank, is actually stopping all cash. All fiat is stopping completely. Moving on, let's go on here, ladies and gentlemen. If you're new to the live stream, welcome to the live stream. Let me know where you're from around the world. Sam Bankman-Fried. Sam Bankman-Fried, guys, the celebrity politician tires to bolster image right here. And prosecutors in the Sam Bankman-Fried trial claim he misled customers, funneling billions of dollars to his Alameda hedge fund. And defense lawyer Mark Cohen right here insists that Sam Bankman-Fried acted in good faith and making sound business decisions at the time. Is his lawyer on just, I'm not going to say it because I'll probably get banned off YouTube, but really? Bankman-Fried faces 7 charges including wire fraud and conspiracy and maintains a plea of not guilty. How? Check your crypto wallets, mate. You probably donated half of it to bloody all of the politicians and celebrities that you endorsed. Absolutely wild. Moving on, we've got the Shiba Inu burn rate skyrocketing over 75%, while SHIB remains trapped in a price range. And I'm still holding on to my Shiba Inu, don't worry about that. And has obviously experienced a spike in over 75% within the last 24 hours. And in this time frame, a staggering 49 million Shiba Inu tokens have been permanently removed from circulation. And development comes after SHIB's price has been reacted relevantly stagnant, obviously failing to exhibit significant movement beyond the crucial support level. Absolute facts right there. I'm still holding on to that. Now, this is where it gets pretty wild. But a Bitcoin spot ETF approval odds increasing according to the analysts right here. Crypto industry experts predict that the SEC will approve a spot Bitcoin ETF following the approval of the Ethereum futures ETF. It's amazing how Ethereum got the approval before Bitcoin. Why? It's ETHgate, man. There's something corrupt going on there. Analysts estimate the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF could result in capital inflows of up to $200 million. There you go. Run amok. There you go. Which is insane. $200 billion could flow into this space, which is going to be absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. Leave your questions here, guys. I can see them. I'm going to get to them at the end. We're going to talk. We're going to communicate. We're going to get through the news first. Let me know where you're from around the world. I'm curious. Now, again, the buy flow, you've got money going into XRP, Solana. We've got BNB. We've got Chainlink. We've got Trust Wallet Token. I don't hold that. Tron, WorldCoin, Monero. I'm trading that. My bot's doing incredibly well. TRB. My bot's doing insanely well, up 234%. Bitcoin and Ethereum, absolute no-brainers. Let's go to X, ladies and gentlemen. I'm still getting used to calling it X, by the way, X Twitter. Full blown. Now, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Thank you to those 5,516 people. You guys absolutely rock. Now, when XRP goes parabolic, I am buying this Porsche. That is for sure. Listen to this car. It's just incredible, guys. For those car freaks out there, listen to this thing. It's an absolute mind-blown car. That's going to be me when crypto goes parabolic. And I'm pretty sure everyone around the world is going to be doing the same thing, which is freaking hilarious. Gucci, what are you doing, man? Shush. I'm on a live. Shush. I'm on a live. Just making noise. Now we've got Mags. Thank you for this tweet, mate. But the crypto chart below illustrates the psychology of a majority of retail investors buying at the top and selling at the bottom. And this is the freaking problem that people need to understand. I had so many friends of mine back, you know, talking about altcoins, this and that. They were buying at the top of the market. It needs to be the other way around. You buy when people are not even talking about it. The moment your grandmother or your auntie, your uncle starts talking about crypto and Bitcoin's making just standard mainstream news, you're going to be too late to the party. And it's pretty interesting right here, the psychology of crypto. Now look at this. I will buy lower. It's a bull trap. It's still below all-time high. I'm stupid. I will buy on the next pullback. What the F is going higher? Panic buys here. Thank God I bought Pump It. I'm a bull now, all-time high, just small correction. It's consolidating before we pump. Crypto is a scam, and thank God I sold it. Dump it right here. I will buy lower, and the cycle repeats itself consistently. Absolutely repeats. Moving on again, yes, the SEC has officially lost the plot. That is facts. We've got the SEC now has filed a new lawsuit against crypto exchange Coinbase. Why? What is wrong with the SEC? What is wrong with them? They're just not, they're not right, man. Like, what is the issue? Like, they've approved futures ETFs for Ethereum. Come on, man. Just get with it, Gary Gensler. And I actually have to check and Google how long he's got left on his term as the chair of the SEC. It's going to be fascinating. Binance will be removing a lot of trading pairs, and there's a significant amount of them coming off there. Now, again, Ripple's very bullish right here, but we're proud to nurture and culture of giving back through Ripple Impact programs like employee donation matching and volunteering, which is incredible. And Ripple's Senior Social Impact Manager and Deed on how to create successful social impact. That is very, very bullish. Moving down again, Sam Bankman-Fried lawyers blame his ex-girlfriend for CZ for FTX's collapse. They just lost the plot, man. Kevin Cage right here. Can't wait for the next bull run when everybody gets along. Again, I'm still getting along with everybody. It doesn't matter what community you're in. But XRP's bullish. Come on. It's nice when everybody in crypto community member realizes we share a common goal of crypto becoming a major asset class. That is facts. Facts, ladies and gentlemen. Judge Torres is one of the biggest supporters of XRP community and Ripple. Facts. There is Judge Torres. Not a lot of photos of Judge Torres online. I'm just putting that out there. Moving down again, yes, the federal judge rejected the SEC's bid to appeal its ground-shaking loss against Ripple. It isn't a complete loss for the SEC, though. The judge set the April 24th trial date for another issue that still needs resolution. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens there. Now, Ashley Prosper putting out the goods, but again, footnote 5. Let me bring up this tweet. Judge Torres begins with the usual neutral language, a programmatic buyer and a programmatic, the programmatic buyer. Then she identifies the buyer as she tells me that Judge Torres did more than just look at the law and how it applied to the sales of XRP. No, she went a step further and stepped into the shoes of a purchaser to really understand the Howey test would or would not apply. IMO, she's great. She actually is. It's incredible. Bullish. Very, very bullish. Now, moving on, we have BlackRock owns. Thank you, Crypto Rover. Obviously, 8.1% of MicroStrategy. Therefore, BlackRock has indirectly investing in Bitcoin. 8.1% of MicroStrategy is equivalent to 12,833 Bitcoin. Meanwhile, of course, you've got Saylor that owns what? $4 billion worth of Bitcoin. Man, he's either going to be the most intelligent man on the face of the planet, or it's just the biggest risk ever. But I honestly believe that he's going to be the richest man on the planet. I really do believe that. He's making a smart move. Moving down again, Ripple obtains the license in Singapore, which is very, very bullish. Now, former BlackRock director Stephen Schoenfield right here, believes that the SEC will approve spot Bitcoin ETFs within 3 to 6 months, which could bring $200 billion of new capital into this space. That is huge. Bitcoin history is absolutely repeating. Now, there's a full-blown video here from Michael Saylor. It goes for 11 minutes. I'm not going to play that because we'll be here all night. Now, obviously, the US presidential candidate, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., says Bitcoin is a freedom currency. Have a listen to him.
See also the trajectory toward, and that Bitcoin is this. I can see also the trajectory toward central bank digital currency, sure, and the power that will give nations. This ultimate power over whether we live or die ultimately. Right. And I understood that we need a currency that is a freedom currency, a currency that is independent and that can't be controlled by the government. Freedom of transaction.
Very, very bullish while he's making some bullish stuff. Now again, Kathy Woods obviously is basically saying this. The SEC will likely approve all Bitcoin ETFs at once if they approve any. Do you know how big that would be if they've basically approved BlackRock, Van Eck, 21 Shares, what else we've got here, Invesco, all of these funds, Grayscale, like if they all get approved at one time, what the hell do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen with the price? It's going to go absolutely wild. Derivatives volume again, thank you, Jack the Rippler. And we've got a US has now a pro-Bitcoin House Speaker, the third most powerful position in the US government. That's incredible. Very, very bullish. And the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 48 today, which is neutral. I'm very, very bullish. Let's say like less bullish, more bullish. It's going to be awesome. Now, moving on, let's go to... by the way, ladies and gentlemen, while I'm on here, this is my 3 Commas app. So again, incredible software right here. Again, it basically allows you to see all your deals on the app, so you don't even need your laptop or iPad or whatever you're using to trade using 3 Commas. So you can do it all on your phone. You can just monitor things, which is incredible as well. So there's all my deals. Active. Look at them all. Non-stop. I think I'm trading. I set up one of, obviously, a trading pair with like 50 altcoins, the top 50. So I'm trading all of them. I do have a couple of multi-bots as well, which are active, which means I've bunched a bunch of them together. So yeah, go and have a look at 3 Commas, guys. No BS. It's been incredible. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Do I have it open? I don't even have it open. Let's open it right here, guys. Boom. All right. Sorry about that. It is live. I can't do anything about it now. Again, we've got a total market of $1.09 trillion today, which is incredible. $23 billion in volume, 49% Bitcoin, 18.13% Ethereum. 26,890 cryptos. Probably, I'd say 90% of those are absolutely useless. That is why I'm only focusing on utility coins. And there is a valid reason for that, given the fact that there were so many people shilling Binance Smart Chain projects which went to zero. Stay away from them. As a friend, I'm telling you, stay away from them. Focus on utility. That's all I'm going to say. Join the Patreon. I'll be hammering everybody in the Patreon on that. Stay away from rubbish projects with trillions of dollars to supply. I fell victim to that as well. Don't worry, it's happened. Top altcoins in my portfolio: Ubix Network, CKB, Near, Cardano, XPR. Proton is a cool project that allows people to use and send their crypto to anyone around the world using a username, which is nice as well. It's so much easier than a crypto wallet. Neo, again, is a layer 1. It's an incredible project. Axie Infinity as well, and Rose. I've been holding that for a very long time, and of course I've got my favorite portfolio here, the banking coins, new payment rails, ladies and gentlemen, right here. And yes, Solana is part of that because they're working with Visa. So basically it's going to be used as a payment rail with Visa for faster transactions with virtually zero fees. And that is pretty much it, guys. There's the full list. I did add Celo to this, WorldCoin, Energy Web Token. Again, that's carbon credits. That's just going to be a thing in the future anyway, 2030. That's just going to be everywhere. We've got SHX, LCX as well, Nextra, Solargenic. Now, where is Corium? I did add Corium. There it is right there down the bottom. Corium is the one that I added because I actually located a full QFS, that's the Quantum Financial System list. Again, and a former bank manager actually gave me an entire PDF book on this. It's pretty wild. And I'll eventually share that out very soon. But that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very bullish on XRP. Again, 8,819%. This is nothing compared to what's coming in the future. But anyway, let's get into the comments on my second screen right here. We've got a lot of Hey Gucci's. Yeah, she's crashed out right now, sleeping. Thank you, guys. Let's scroll all the way up. We've got the UK in the house. Let's have a look here. Anthony, when did you stop... Aaron, when did you stop arguing with people about crypto being a scam? Did you stop trying to convince people? I don't need to convince anybody. And I'm finding, Aaron, that a lot of people are starting to do their own research and, gather their own knowledge and expertise on crypto. That's up to them. I don't need to convince anybody. I know it because, again, I do this every single day, well, pretty much. So yeah, I don't even need to convince anyone. That's completely up to them. I mean, whether or not they want to, take notice of it is another thing altogether. But this is what happens, right? So, peak of the bull market, everyone's talking about it. No one has any idea. Everyone's getting recommendations from people. This is what happens. Oh, buy this coin, buy that coin. It's too late. You've missed the train. You really have. And that's like anything in life, man. If you wait too long, it's going to be a loss. Now, moving on. We've got Gareth Cairns, Queensland in the house. How you going, mate? Garth, what do we got here? Bris Vegas. Send the weather down here, please. It's freaking shocking at the moment. South Africa. All I bought in 2023. Billy Joe Ma. We've got the best signal in MQL5. Yes. New York in the house. We've got Uganda again. We've got Wellington, North Carolina. That's incredible. Welcome. Nick from North Michigan, Great Lakes State. Very, very nice. Have to visit there one day. Up the way, the WAS. What else we got here? Chase Bank is correct. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much, Quinton. Right here. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing your username right here, but it was Chase Bank. So it's interesting to see that they cut payments to crypto exchanges, but they're allowing people to pay their mortgages. How does that make sense? It's absolutely insane. Let's have a look here. Lovely GT3. Yes, that's oh gosh, that car's incredible. Brisbane in the house. Buy, pump, repeat. Yeah, it's basically truth. They're selling, they're stalling to help their mates. True. Do we have any miners among us here? Crypto miners? Maybe. We've got New South Wales in the house. South Africa right here. I'm sitting back and relaxing time. And relaxing time is on our side. That is facts right there, Mike. That's bullish as anything. And mining, we've got a nice hash with their S9I. Okay, so there's a question in there for somebody if they can answer them. Go and have a look. Let's have a look. Who's coming in second for this weekend's race? Because we all know who will be coming first. You meaning Max Verstappen for the Formula One? Oh gosh. Yeah, I mean, look, I love Formula One. It's the sport of kings when I think about it. But yeah, they need to change up the rules, I reckon. If that's what you're referring to. Are you referring to the Formula One? I'm curious about that one. Because, yeah, again, Max Verstappen's been winning every freaking race pretty much. Let's have a look here. We've got Idaho in the place. And when XRP goes parabolic, who's holding the party? Chaz. I don't know. I might organise one in Melbourne somewhere or a couple of favourite destinations around the world. I might have to organise something. We'll have to find a place where it's going to be hot and the weather's going to be good. And basically we'll get all the super yachts parked around, all the supercars. Everyone can bring their families. Yeah, and it's going to be absolutely wild. Yes, the F1 lol. Okay. Yeah, man, it's definitely going to be Max Verstappen again, another win. And I reckon the betting odds on that one are like 50 cents because, yeah, he's going to win. It's absolutely ridiculous when you think about it, guys, anyway. Oh, it's going to be a nice race as well. Be definitely watching that one. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to do a live. And thank you to all of you who actually tuned into the live stream. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, again, if you haven't joined the Patreon, go join up, guys, because it's a really bullish community, and I'm putting up some pretty interesting stuff there. Again, we've got Wodonga going wild. I hold XRP. What else have we got here? Your Australian football is awesome. Just started watching. Yeah, Aussie rules football is pretty good, man. It's a great game, mate. It really is. And it's very unique, to say the least. So, a great win by Collingwood, obviously, and probably the first and only time I would go for Collingwood in my life, which is an Australian team that won the AFL Grand Final. So pretty full on right here. Anthony, I'm from Townsville and the weather is beautiful. Thank you. Fighting the turret right here. Send some hot weather down here because it's just been pouring rain for like 3 days. It's really annoying. Really, really annoying. Horrible. Anyway, guys, I'm out. What time is it? It is 10:15 p.m. here in Melbourne, Australia. And I'll be posting updates again regularly in the community tab and also in the Patreon, which is really, really bullish, guys. Again, can't look past these bots, man. It's just insane. It's absolutely insane. And obviously, yeah, $349 a day. Not bad. Not bad at all. Absolutely incredible. So thank you very much to every single one of you. I really appreciate it. Join the Patreon. And make sure you follow me on social media, by the way. I just want to point out, let me just see if I've got it open while I'm here. Here we go. So yes, this is my official Instagram page now with the blue check mark. I'm making that very clear. This is my Instagram page. If anyone is following anything other than this, it is a scam account. Please be careful with this stuff. I know for a fact that there are like hundreds of fake accounts on TikTok. I don't even know why they haven't verified me. So if anyone out there watching at the moment has someone at TikTok, tell them to verify my account. It's really, really annoying. But that is my Instagram account. So make sure you go follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you to every single one of you also that have followed. It's incredible. So thank you very much. I'm out, ladies and gentlemen. I will speak to everyone tomorrow. I hope you have a good evening, a good night, and a good morning. And if it's morning, have a freaking espresso, please, for me. Because it's too late. I'll be up all night if I have one, all right? Peace out, guys. Thank you very much. I'll speak to everyone then. Bye.